Homeownership. It's the universal dream, a haven for family and friends, and in more recent times, an extension of our workplaces. But with ownership comes cost. So how do savvy consumers protect their greatest investment and the modern conveniences within?
210 Homebuyer's Warranty. We're there to help homeowners protect one of their most valuable things, which is their home. We're there to help them proactively take care of any of those unexpected costs that can happen to normal wear and tear, to plumbing, heating, cooling, and appliances. Some of those critical systems that if they were to go out would have a really high out-of-pocket cost, and often unexpected cost.
We decided to get a warranty immediately when we purchased our home so we could avoid the issues that we had previously as renters. It is very easy to file a claim online. I actually do all my claims right online. It's fast, it's convenient, and efficient.
You know, homeownership is a wonderful time. There's a lot of joy in it, but sometimes it's inevitable. Things are going to break down from normal wear and tear. So we want to help protect that and also give them convenience of being able to find a contractor with ease rather than having to search all around.
At home, I definitely like to entertain. When my husband's home, he likes to relax and break from the day. Just do things like watch TV and have family meals together. I found out about 210 when my dad and my sister told me about it, and when I was kind of complaining about having to replace the air conditioner or something, and they were like, oh, you should have had this. Once I heard about it, I was very happy to get it. And I'm kind of mad that I hadn't done it earlier.
The air conditioning can quite often be a big headache. You'll be using it a lot. You want to make sure you're nice and cool, being comfortable, and then slowly you'll notice, wait, it's not as cool anymore. What's going on? You go out to the AC, you might not really understand, is it the condenser? Is there some sort of issue? And all of a sudden it's broken. That can be a very high out-of-pocket cost if you're not prepared for that. So with having the home warranty, we're going to come in, we're going to diagnose it, we're going to say this needs to be repaired. Maybe you need a replacement, and if you didn't have that, going outside of that, finding the contractor, making sure that they know what they're doing, replacing the entire piece can cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Instead, you're going to pay your service fee, lower cost, we're going to send somebody out, you don't have to worry about it anymore, and they're going to make sure that it's taken care of as quickly as possible and that it's done the right way.
I definitely wish I had done it sooner because my dad and my sister had told me about it like 6 months prior, and I was like, oh, whatever. I don't need that. And obviously I did when I had to get my air conditioner fixed. So I definitely wish I had signed up when I had first heard about it.
Home warranties aren't the same as insurance. That's why many people choose a home warranty from 210.
Oftentimes people think that homeowners insurance and home warranties are interchangeable. They don't really understand what the difference is. Home insurance is something that's there to cover some of those larger catastrophic events that really impact the home itself. So maybe some water damage, fire, theft. That's what your homeowner's insurance is there to help protect. Home warranty, on the other hand, that's there to help protect those larger things inside the home. When they break down, can have a really high out-of-pocket cost. So as soon as you notice that there's an issue, make sure you want to get it diagnosed right away. You can either go to the website and place the claim, or you can go ahead and give us a call, let us know what's going on. We have a large contractor network, so we'll go ahead and get somebody assigned, set you up with an appointment so we can address that issue as quickly as possible.
There's a plan for every home and every homeowner.
So I would recommend current homeowners and future homeowners to definitely get a 210 home warranty.
Having 210 is a must-have for me and my family because it's just nice to know that if something goes wrong, we can get it taken care of, and it's not going to cost us an arm or leg or put us in a bad situation down the road. So I really appreciate that.
Breakdowns within the home can be incredibly costly, costing thousands of dollars out of pocket. But with having a 210 home warranty, you just pay a low service fee, and then we're going to have somebody go right out there, rather than having to pay a lot of money right up front.
For more information on protecting your home with 210 Home Buyer's Warranty, visit 2-10.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.